AITA? I told my daughter not to bother applying for college. Told her not to bother. I explained that we weren't letting her go until she's old enough to make that decision for herself. She started crying and yelling at me, but I refused to budge. I don't think I'm being unreasonable, and honestly her reaction is more evidence of immaturity. But apparently she texted her aunt, who has been calling me an asshole. People seem to think that I will not allow her to go to college at all. I am absolutely willing to let her go to college once she's 18, and we will pay for it. Wherever she wants to go, we have the means. Am I wrong in not letting her go to college?